In this video, I am going to guide you about how to bookmark a driver on the Lyft app. By bookmarking a driver, you can ensure that you have a reliable and familiar face for your future rides. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your phone. 2. After completing a ride, go to your ride history by tapping the menu icon. 3. Look for the ride where you want to bookmark the driver. 4. Tap on the ride to open the details. 5. Tap the driver's name or profile picture to view their profile. 6. If available, tap on the favorite or bookmark option. 7. Confirm that you want to bookmark the driver. 8. The driver will now be saved as a favorite for future rides. Bookmarking a driver can make it easier to request them again. You can keep track of drivers you enjoyed riding with. If the feature is not available, you can still rate and remember your favorite drivers.